Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Winter or Christmas Trash to Treasure or Thrift Flip, hosted by Sonia of Domestic Diva DIY and Sandra of Schwowin's Nest. I will leave the link of her channel in the description box and as well as the playlist of all the participants. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the final result of the plastic water bottle converted into bells, and I decorated, spray painted it. In the center I made a bow with two levels of bells, one above and one below like that, and I stuck satin ribbon around the bells and also had 2 points areas stuck to it. So yeah, I'm going to decorate the bells just like this. So let me know your thoughts on this. final result of the pine cones converted into Christmas tree. So as I showed the process, as I stuck some of the silver glitter glue on the pine cone, and I used the beaded necklace. I got individual beads out of it, and I stuck on top of each of the stems of pine cone. And this is one of the candle motif, and I stuck diamond wrap around it just to give the stand for the Christmas tree kind of a look. And this is actually string light of snowflakes, and I plucked 2 of the snowflakes from the string light and I stuck it as the top of the Christmas tree decor, and I scattered some of the vase fillers around it. So this is basically a trash to treasure. So the pine cones and used candle motifs, and I decorated into a Christmas tree. So I hope you like this as well. So let me know your thoughts on this as well, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.